What is a fiduciary relationship? A fiduciary relationship is based on trust. The agent has a fiduciary relationship with his client. Therefore, the agent owes the client obedience, loyalty, disclosure, confidentiality, accounting, reasonable care, and diligence. Let's look at each aspect of a fiduciary relationship. The agent must obey his client, as long as the client is asking the agent to do something that is legal. The agent must be loyal to his client by putting the client's interests above their own. The agent must always disclose everything to their client, except for something that is confidential with another person. The agent must account for all funds handled during the transaction. The agent must use reasonable care and diligence in the agency relationship. This means the agent must be knowledgeable in real estate matters. That is a fiduciary relationship.